Take a moment to stop and think. What if your thoughts are not confined to the boundaries of your mind? What if your consciousness has the power to shape the very fabric of the universe? Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the mysterious relationship between consciousness and matter, a journey where science and ancient wisdom converge. Beyond the placebo effect lies a deeper and more profound story. A story that invites us to reconsider everything we think we know about reality. Could our thoughts, intentions, and beliefs truly shape the world around us? Let's begin with the placebo effect, one of modern medicine's most intriguing phenomena. This effect reveals the extraordinary power of belief. When someone believes a treatment will work, their body begins to heal, even if the treatment itself is inert, like a sugar pill. The mind, fueled by expectation and faith, triggers a cascade of biological processes that lead to measurable improvements in health. But what if this ability goes beyond the body? What if our beliefs and intentions ripple outward, influencing the physical world itself? The placebo effect is not the end of the story. It's merely the beginning of our exploration into the untapped potential of human consciousness. Science offers us compelling insights. The double-slit experiment, a cornerstone of quantum physics, revealed something astonishing. The behavior of a particle changes depending on whether it's being observed. When left unobserved, a particle exists as a wave of possibilities, but the moment it is observed, it collapses into a single state, behaving like a particle. This simple act of observation alters the nature of reality. It forces us to ask, is consciousness merely a passive observer, or is it an active participant in shaping the universe? At Princeton University, the Global Consciousness Project took this idea even further. Using random number generators, researchers discovered that during moments of global focus, major celebrations, tragedies, or world events, random patterns became more structured. It was as though human consciousness was influencing these machines, creating order where there should have been none. This raises a profound possibility. Collective thought, when aligned, may have the power to shape reality in ways we are only beginning to understand. But this isn't just a modern discovery. Ancient teachings have spoken of the creative power of the mind for thousands of years. Masaru Emoto's water crystal experiments provide a fascinating modern lens for this ancient wisdom. Emoto claimed that water exposed to positive intentions, like love, gratitude, or compassion, formed beautifully structured and symmetrical crystals. In contrast, water subjected to negative emotions created chaotic and irregular patterns. While these experiments remain controversial, the underlying idea that consciousness can influence the material world aligns with esoteric philosophies like Hermeticism, which declares that the universe is mental. If consciousness truly influences matter, what does this mean for us as individuals? It's a call to action, an invitation to reflect on the power of our thoughts and intentions. Are we using this power responsibly? What would happen if we collectively harnessed our minds to create a better world? Imagine the possibilities if every thought, every intention, was aligned with positivity and growth. The potential is immense, but with great power comes great responsibility. If our thoughts can shape reality, then fear, anger, and negativity may also leave their mark. This isn't about suppressing negative emotions. It's about understanding their impact and choosing to navigate them consciously. The key to transformation may lie not in changing the external world, but in mastering the internal landscape of our own minds. Science is still scratching the surface of these mysteries, but ancient teachings remind us that the answers may already reside within us. Consciousness isn't just something we possess. It's something we participate in, a dynamic force that connects us to the universe in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. So, I leave you with this question. What are you creating with your consciousness today? Are your thoughts building and inspiring, or are they shaping your reality in ways you might not even notice? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe consciousness has the power to influence matter? Or is this simply a fascinating idea without definitive proof? Whatever your perspective, one thing is clear: the journey of discovery is far from over. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.